Sometimes the shooting schedule of a project doesn't allow to film everything at the time of day when things actually happen in the final content piece. In today's example, we are going to shoot a night and a day scene in the same location with the same setup using the benefits of LED lights and apps. We're going to connect the two settings with a night to day transition. Now there are a few things to think about if you want to do a shot like this. Number one, shoot at nighttime or, when the sun is already going down. It's much easier to light a day scene in the night than night scene in the day. Number two, minimize the amount of windows and uncontrollable light sources you have in the scene. It's much easier to shoot this effect if you can control all the light sources completely. So a room with big windows is usually more challenging because you need more lights to light the exterior as well. Speaking of, number three, you need a few good lights to pull this off. We're going to use 4 lights for a setup. For the garden outside, I am going to use the new Aladdin Mosaic Light 4x4, which is a powerful LED light that has a lot of output both in daylight tungsten as well as RGB. I'll go for teal with 75% of output. Next, let's take care of the Moonlight/Sunlight. For this, I am using a Nanlite 720B because it has a wide color temperature range, incredible output, and also amazing light quality. I'll attach a Fresnel to focus the light precisely on the part of the window where I want the sunshine and moonlight. Back indoors, we need a big and soft key light for the overall mood and to also light our talent. Now, since we don't have a lot of space here, the Aladdin Mosaic 3x6 comes in really clutch. It's tall and wide, but super thin and flexible, which allows me to put this puppy right here out of frame. I'm going to use it at daylight temperature for the night scene, and I have it switch over to tungsten for our morning sun. Finally, as a fill light, I'll use an Aladdin fabric with the same settings and our scene is pretty much complete. Now the only thing it needs is a bit of atmosphere. That is why I'm also going to haze up the place here a bit to add dimension and light rays to the whole lighting setup. In order to get the night-day transition, I am using the freely available apps from both manufacturers. I'm using the Nanlink app for the Forza 720B and the free all-in app from Aladdin for the mosaics. And here you go, guys. These are the final results. If you like this video, consider to like it and subscribe, and also leave comments down below in the comment section what you think about the lights, the setup, and also if you have a question or a request for us if we want to solve a light problem for you, let us know and we might actually shoot a video for you.